Thank you, members of the press. We would like to apologize to our customers who have been inconvenienced by the strike that was inevitable. Two, it is true that we have had serious consultations from yesterday, and today we have just had a breakthrough, not because we are satisfied, but we want to give negotiations a chance. So we are waiting for negotiations at the high level, but we would like to let the customers and those who we work with understand that if this is not taken serious, within the 7 days that we have given, the strike will be back. Thank you very much.
Yeah. My name is Kushan Mushiri. I'm the CEO, Federation of Public Transport Sector, FPTS, and the National Chairman for the Association of Matatu Transport Owners, AMTO. Today, as much as we would have been happy to say that we got the 46 shillings that we were seeking, we are also glad that at least negotiations have started in earnest, and that the seriousness and the need for our demands to be met and for our transport industry to be taken seriously has been well noted by government. And unfortunately, had we been taken seriously on Friday, I think we would not be here. So on behalf of the Federation of Public Transport Sector and Association of Matatu Transport Owners, mine is to urge all our membership, our drivers, our conductors, to resume operations effective immediately so that we can be able to assist our Kenyans continue with their normal running of their normal activities. But we want to assure our members that within the next 7 days, we shall have done the best of negotiations, and I believe by the time we come back here, we will come with a good solution. And I am happy our able Governor Sakaja is here and is our guarantor that this time the government will take us seriously. So, asante sana, Mungu awabariki.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Albert Karagacha. I'm the president of Matatu Owners Association. We want to urge our members, wherever they are, to go back to work. We've come up with something whereby next week, I think there'll be something coming up. So we urge them to go back to work. And we want to thank the government. We are going to work very closely, and we've agreed to form a committee which is going to look into other issues related to the transport sector, mostly on PSV, because we've been having so many issues on insurance, we've been having issues on traffic matters, corruption. So we thank the minister. We are going to work very closely with this office to make sure that we enable the transport sector to grow. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.